Ever spent hours on a pastel piece only to mess it up with smudges or muddy colors, or struggled to get those crisp, sharp edges? I feel you. Pastels are an amazing medium, but they can also be messy and frustrating if you don't know the right techniques. But don't worry, today I'm sharing 8 genius pastel hacks that will take your artwork to the next level. These tricks will help you get cleaner colors, smoother blends, and a more professional finish. Hack number 1. Clean your pastel sticks before using. Let's start with a simple but super important tip. Cleaning your pastel sticks before you use them. If you've ever picked up a pastel only to find weird colors smudged onto it, this is why. Pastels pick up pigment from wherever they touch, and using a dirty pastel can totally ruin your color harmony. The fix? Just wipe your pastel on a soft cloth or tissue before using it. This quick step removes any dust, excess pigment, or unwanted residue that could muddy your colors. It keeps your pastels clean, your shades vibrant, and your artwork looking its best. Simple, but truly a game changer. Hack 2. Wrap pastels in tissue to prevent breakage. Raise your hand if you've ever broken a pastel stick by accident. Yep, we've all been there. Soft pastels are fragile and they can break just from knocking around in your art kit. Here's a simple fix. Before you store your pastel sticks, wrap them in tissue paper. This creates a protective cushion that absorbs impact, prevents breakage, and keeps them from crumbling into pastel dust before you even get the chance to use them. It's a quick and easy trick that helps your pastels last much longer. Hack 3. Sharpen pastels with sandpaper for fine details. Pastels are great for bold strokes, but for fine details, try this pro tip. Gently sharpen the edge of your pastel with sandpaper. It gives you precision while keeping that soft, blendable texture. Lightly rub one side of your pastel against sandpaper to create a sharp edge. This gives you the precision needed for fine details like hair strands, crisp lines, and small textures. It's a quick and simple trick that allows you to maintain the pastel's soft, blendable quality while adding the accuracy of a fine point tool. Hack 4. Mix colors on paper, not by touching the pastel sticks. A common mistake beginners make is rubbing pastel sticks together to mix colors. This contaminates the pigments, creating dull, muddy shades instead of vibrant ones. Over time, it can ruin the purity of your pastels, making blending more difficult. Instead of rubbing pastel sticks together, mix your colors directly on the paper for cleaner, more vibrant results. Start by layering one color over another, gradually building depth and richness. Then, use your finger, a sponge, or a blending tool to softly merge the shades, creating smooth transitions and natural gradients. This technique not only keeps your pastels clean, but also gives you better control over the final look, allowing you to achieve a more polished and professional finish in your artwork. Hack 5. Use a kneaded eraser to lift highlights. If you want to create highlights, don't rub with a normal eraser that just smudges everything. Instead, use a kneaded eraser. Instead of rubbing, gently press and lift the pastel to remove pigment while keeping your layers intact. This simple technique prevents smudging, preserves depth, and creates soft, natural-looking highlights that add dimension to your artwork. Hack 6. Use tape to fix your pastel paper for crisp, clean edges. Want to achieve perfectly crisp edges in your pastel artwork? Clean, sharp lines can make a big difference in defining shapes and adding contrast. With the right techniques, you can create precise edges that make your artwork look more polished and professional. Just use masking tape. Start by placing the tape exactly where you want a sharp, clean line, ensuring it's pressed down firmly to prevent any pastel from slipping underneath. Once your tape is securely in place, apply your pastel over the area, layering and blending to your desired effect. The key is to work gently around the tape to avoid any accidental smudging. After you're done, Carefully peel off the tape to reveal a crisp, flawless edge. This method gives you clean, professional-looking lines that can define shapes, add contrast, and bring a polished, refined finish to your artwork, all while saving you time and effort. Hack 7. Use baking paper to prevent smudging. Tired of smudges ruining your pastel artwork? With a few simple tricks, you can keep your colors vibrant and your details crisp. Simply place a sheet of baking paper under your hand while you draw. This keeps your hand from dragging pigment across the paper, preventing smudges and keeping your artwork clean. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference in protecting your work. Hack 8. Use a pastel stick extender for tiny pieces. Fighting to use those tiny pastel knobs without getting your hands messy and dropping it constantly. Grab a pastel stick extender. I got these from AliExpress for just $2 or $3 for a pack of 15. Super affordable. I will put a link to it in the comments below. Just like a pencil extender, it helps you hold and control small pastel pieces with ease so you can keep using every bit of your pastels. No more wasted colors. And there you have it, 8 simple but super effective pastel hacks that will take your artwork to the next level. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more awesome art tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.